Many of you have asked how to remove earpad cushions for HyperX Cloud Stinger headset. So today I will show you how to do it. This guide will be useful if you want to replace a damaged audio cable or replace all the earpad cushions. To succeed, you only need a few human fingers. Put your finger under the earpad cushion and nicely pull it off. So easy. But before you actually do it, click on the I button in the upper right corner and read some comments. Putting back the earpads is not that easy, and some even fell into depression thanks to this. Most people don't have any problems putting back the earpads. Push the edge of the earpad into its gap and hold it with your thumb so that the earpad cushion edge does not escape from its prison. And then put the remaining edge inside the gap by pushing it in around the circle. It's not that easy, but it's also not so hard when you understand the idea of how to do it. The main idea is to stop the already pushed in edge from coming out, preferably with several fingers. When the whole cushion edge is in the gap, you can slightly turn the earpad so that it snaps firmly into place. Congratulations to those who succeeded. Those who failed, I'm very sorry. I'll be nice and show you again how to remove and put back the earpad. This time on the right side. Listen to some calm music and try again. Good luck. Now I'll show you how to disassemble the HyperX Cloud Stinger headset and show you the internal wiring. Maybe this knowledge will be useful for someone. Not everyone knows how to disassemble this gaming headset. The idea is simple. Remove the earpad and unscrew all 4 screws, and carefully open up the case. Here's a look inside this HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headset. I hope this guide will come in handy for some HyperX Stinger users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support our DIY videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write them in the comments below. Thanks and bye.